1962 Ford Galaxie 500 XL two-door hardtop. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a true Galaxie 500 XL 65B on the style code. Paint code T Sandshell Beige. Trim code of 84, so pearl beige interior, looking very much the way it would have looked back in 62 when it rolled off the Ford dealership showroom floor. Let's take a look at this bright work as far as the chrome and grille, headlight surrounds, looking good up front. Underneath the hood, 390 car, Z VIN code for the engine, 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Ford wheel covers. Let's check down this passenger side, take a peek at the bright work and the paint. Paint shows well on it. You're going to find a few imperfections, maybe a touch up here, there. But overall, again, shows very well. Bright work or trim work down the side, nice and straight. Of course, the Galaxie 500 XL emblems on the car, as well as that 390 engine emblem up front, if you notice that. Take a peek at the interior, so vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console. That 390 is paired up with a automatic transmission, as you can see, Cruise-O-Matic. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear, dual exhaust. Bright work looks good on the rear of it too. Gas fill door. Looks like it may have easily been a Southern car with the Two Rivers Ford of Nashville old school dealership emblem on it. Something else I want to show you quick. Let me grab these keys. I want to open this trunk. So still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And you'll be able to see trunk pictures. Let me see if I can get this open one-handed. All right, sorry about the little delay there, but I wanted to show you something here. So first of all, underside of the trunk, that appears to be original paint. Now, trunk mat. And this is a replacement mat because I can tell that because it's over the original. So right here, I have the replacement one folded over the original, which we see with floor mats. Sometimes you got floor mats over the floor mats. And what appears to also be the original filler panels. So on this other side, so I could show you, I peeled up the underside of the original floor mat. Look at the trunk pan. This right up here, all that is some glue and goo that kind of pulled away a little of that bottom of that trunk mat because I wanted to show you the metal inside that trunk, as well as, like I said, what appears to be the original filler panels. And yes, that is definitely the original mat. And a repopped one they put over that. So full-size spare in the rear also. Pretty cool. Check out those still pictures. We have that in the still pictures too. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like the early 60s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you can make it see us in person. As you can see, up and down the passenger side of this car, also nice shape. Again, there might be a little spot where there's been a touch-up, or maybe a little nick here or there, but it's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. We'll turn some heads. 62, nice body style on this 500 XL. All right, door panels, which easily look like they could be original. Seating surface is free of rips, tears, holes. We do have seat belts up front, as you can see here. Does have an aftermarket stereo in it. I did have that working, some aftermarket gauges. That's fired up so you can hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive. Jason will take it out down the highway, show you how it drives out. Again, 390 underneath the hood, 4-barrel. You can see the tack working there. I also noticed, check this out, we have a working clock. Stereo. Turn that up a tad. I did have that working. Huey Lewis in the news, maybe? Get a good look at the dash there. How about the headliner? Headliner looks good. That door closes very nicely, and I didn't push it very hard either. Listen to this. Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top exhaust wise, just nice, deep exhaust notes. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open quick. We'll check out that engine bay, wrap her up this walk around video, take this car for a drive. All right, underside of the hood looks good. I did want to mention this does have 4-wheel disc brakes. 85% or better on the pads all the way around, and you can see it looks like a newer master cylinder, brake booster, new radiator, aluminum radiator, power steering, newer exhaust also. Check that out in the underside pics, and a nice, clean, good-looking engine bay. Battery disconnect here for in between drives or when it's in storage. If you're at a car show with this car, you won't be ashamed to have the hood open, that's for sure. 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, real deal. 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Ford Galaxie. We have a aftermarket tachometer mounted to the column. This is an automatic on the center console. Kind of a bronzy color, a little bit maybe cream color. Looks good on this car. We'll wait for a little bit of traffic. Our turn signal indicators are working. And more traffic. There is a retro sound style radio in the dash. That's working good. Let's see how she does on the highway. Our fuel gauge is reading full. The speedometer is working as it should. Temperature gauge is reading cold on the dash, but down below we have a water temperature gauge from Autometer that says it's 180 degrees. Volts are 14 and oil pressure is about 45 to 50. That's all looking good. This car has a nice road feel. For a larger car, it drives like a smaller car. It's kind of a good handler for its day. Factory horn is working as it should. looking around, the door panels, the headliner, they look nice. Seat with a reflective pattern of stripes in it, also very good condition. Brakes are working as they should. Smooth braking, easy to push. The blower motor works on this car. The wipers also work on this car. It doesn't lean very much in the corners. It stays pretty flat. And there's the kickdown on that automatic transmission. The steering wheel does appear to be canted a little to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays right in the lane. No pull to either side. A great driving Ford Galaxie. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.